So we're on board a water taxi from Cleopatra Marina. There was a boat here. It's gone too. And check how the Swiss guys are doing. Still, it's like really warm. Whew. It's really... So we're on board a water taxi from Cleopatra Marina. They bring you over to Preveza like 2 times a day. Very nice, no extra cost. So you can get from here to Preveza, where we were before, to pick up the car. So back again. You see here the Brazilian guy left, and just over there, there was a boat here. It's gone too. It's Spock. So, empty space. So everything is arranged now. Boats here. Got my parking spot for the car. Everything is done. Here's the mini mart shop. Like, if you've seen the first episode or the second episode, like with me and Michel, we're sitting right there. And of course, now I'm here. I have to go to the Cleopatra Marina drydock and check how the Swiss guys are doing. I'm wondering because they have like 2 days more to go. Monday they're gonna get into the water. They had so much stuff to do, but I'll see today what they did already. So I'll get them some snacks. So we're gonna get over to the Swiss guys. Check how they're doing. I hope they're gonna be fine. I'm making sure everything is done before they get into the water. I'm just gonna check out. It's nice. Hello. Hey, how are you? Yeah, alles goed. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go over to the Swiss couple to check how they're doing. They're gonna go in Monday, so they still have a lot to do. Okay, yeah. Very nice people. Like both in Cleopatra Marina and Preveza Marina, they're both really nice. There's Holly Blue now. Hello. Hello.
You're back.
Yes, I am.
We just found the...
So they're still really busy. I hope they're gonna get everything done before. And this is Hollywood. My old spot. Yes? I have to get something. I don't know. Okay.
Can you give that police when you go to the...
So they're busy with the dinghy and they need a part. So I'm gonna rush over there. See you guys there. I'm just gonna ask Scotty to beam me there. See you in a bit.
Scotty, beam me up.
Oh. If it was only that easy to beam somewhere, somehow, whatever, like beaming you from one place to another. It'd be so nice. We're there with the dinghy. So I just brought them the item and they were like happy to see that. And I'm happy to see this. There's like a kite surfer. If you can hear me, there's a kite surfer there. So, getting back to the boat, getting some lunch. enjoy the rest of the day. Get some video editing. You know what the nicest thing is? You move your house every time it's on the water. It's just like a camper. You move your house every time. So every time when you're somewhere, your house looks the same. Familiar, your own spot, but then somewhere else. You can be in another place every day. Tribe is going in. As I'm talking about it, there they are, taking the next boat out. Flags are up. Swiss and the Greek flag. There's Katie. Brian is probably in the boat because of the weather. There they go. Next boat from the... Hello! Hello! Next boat from the group. There's my spot. That was like... And Stefan's spot is already taken. No. Woohoo! I see a happy face.
Not yet, when we are in high.
Hey man.
How are you doing?
Yeah, good.
Did you get your machine back already?
No.
Okay, that's it's inside.
No, that's okay, So we have some flowers at the bow of Zuri. Nice. Freshly plucked this morning, I think.
No, 5 minutes ago.
Oh! 5 minutes ago. Camilla! Hello! Hello, sweetie! Hello, sweetie! Hello! Hello! So Brian stayed in the boat?
Yeah, it's a bit windy right now, and we just set the anchor like a couple hours ago.
Yeah.
So we're just playing safe.
Otherwise, if you're dragging and you have your drag alarm and you're walking here like, oh, the boat just moved 10 meters.
Yeah.
Let's get back. No.
We moved just this morning.
Okay. Yeah. I saw you guys going.
We wanted to be close.
Okay, we're gonna check the boat out. You're going the wrong way.
Mattress, yeah, I know.
Oh yeah, the mattress. Oh shit, I could have taken it. I think you're being followed, Zuri. Okay. Oh, they put the crane in the way. You can't go underneath it. I hope he knows. You can't go through. I was like, I hope he's not gonna go through. And thinking that it's like, oh, but the panels you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, they're okay. They're sturdy. Didn't get picked out. Oh yes, let's watch the guy with the crane. And they're the happy owners. Yay! You had to wait for that one.
Oh, very similar.
Yeah. So what were you saying? You're a little nervous?
I replaced 4 sea cocks. I did that never before, so I really hope that there's no water coming in. But
He's too worried. He did a fine job with everything, so this will be watertight.
I mean, it would be a funny story. Launch day, and then 1 hour later we are back.
Last painting. And she's up. So it looks Poseidon is really waiting for the ceremony.
From Thursday on.
Yeah.
Friday.
But it was the same with all of the boats, right? Oh yay. Okay, that was not a part that's coming loose. No, that was just something coming from the boat. Not a part that's, oh, okay. Luca still looks confident. Did you see the flowers? There goes 1, 2, 3, touchdown! Woohoo! And now we'll see if it floats. So now there's the moment that the captain needs to go in and make sure nothing's leaking. The thing Luca is really a little worried about.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
It's always scary.
And we're away! Woohoo! Oh, what did you do with your thumb? Thumbs up. Yeah!
Oh, Luca's outside.
Yeah, he can do it from here,
Oh,
right?
no, I'm doing it. Yeah, I was doing it. I was like,
Yeah.
where is he? He's outside.
They were just saying stop eating my balls. I don't know what.
No, I did not say my balls. These balls.
Oh, these balls.
These balls.
Stop eating these balls.
People have eaten these balls.
And Luca is like really happy because the things that he did, like he was worried about what we were talking about just now. He's like everything is tight, so no water coming in and everything is okay. You see a happy guy at the helm there. Poseidon knows about this renaming ceremony, so he's showing us a little bit of light over there behind the clouds. So probably it will come.
Ja. This is a good start.
That's a good start.
Outside
My first boat ride outside like was also with
with the dolphin.
dolphins. That's a good sign. So Poseidon is already blessing the boat.
Thank you, Poseidon. No snakes.
So this really means good luck, because if you're on your first sail with a new name and you see dolphins in front of your boat, that's good.
Absolutely fantastic.
There's some crazy people there. So we're all here, yay! Woo!
We made it.
Man, you guys are awesome.
Celebrating the last one is in the water.
Dude, you look tired. How you doing?
Okay, something is happening. Something is happening.
They made something special. Nice.
That's like, oh.
Good luck! Zuri! Go Egypt! Freedom! Here, Luca, please, you have to say some words into this magical radio. Call Poseidon. Call her.
Poseidon, this is a sailing vessel Zuri. Can you hear me? I think there's a bad connection. I can hardly understand you.
Is there a snake in the mouth? I can hear you! I got a message in here! He's happy!
And it's blessed by Poseidon. Sun is there. So Luca decided to stay there and live on this life raft. So, I'm gonna start with right? Okay. Hi. Going on the ferry again to Venice. Going to visit my parents and leaving the car. And then I'm flying back 15th of April. I have to drive to Patras. Patras is like south of Preveza. And because normally I would go north to Preveza, from Preveza, but that was like I had to get on board 3:30 a.m. Good morning, everybody. Another sunrise at sea. Sunset is not pretty yet. It's kind of pretty, but not like we saw before. And that's Venice. I'm gonna dock now and then I can get into my car and drive to the Netherlands through Italy, Austria and Germany. So keep you updated. So driving home through Austria. So back at the boat. And the rain followed me from the Netherlands. Now getting the Raymarine and everything to work. So let's check it out. Oh, I hope it's gonna work.
Live long and prosper.